10 most powerful militaries in the world. 10. Egypt. 2017 Egypt Military Strength Power Index 0.2676. Defense Budget $4,400,000,000. Active military personnel 454,250. Labor force 31,960,000. Total aircraft 1,132. Total naval strength 319. Current military capabilities and available firepower for the second most powerful Muslim nation of Egypt. 9. Germany. 2017 Germany Military Strength Power Index 0.2609. Defense Budget $39,200,000,000. Active military personnel 180,000. Labor force 45,300,000. Total aircraft 698. Total naval strength 81. Current military capabilities and available firepower for the nation of Germany. 8. Turkey. 2017 Turkey Military Strength Power Index 0.2491. Defense Budget $8,208,000,000. Active military personnel 382,850. Labor force 30,240,000. Total aircraft 1,018. Total naval strength 194. Turkey, the most powerful Muslim country in the world, has the 8th most powerful military. Current military capabilities and available firepower for the nation of Turkey. 7. Japan. 2017 Japan Military Strength Power Index 0.2137. Defense Budget $43,800,000,000. Active military personnel 248,575. Labor force 65,930,000. Total aircraft 1,594. Total naval strength 131. Current military capabilities and available firepower for the nation of Japan. 6. The United Kingdom. 2017 United Kingdom Military Strength Power Index 0.2131. Defense Budget $45,700,000,000. Active military personnel 151,175. Labor force 33,170,000. Total aircraft 856. Total naval strength 76. Current military capabilities and available firepower for the nation of United Kingdom. 5. France. 2017 France Military Strength Power Index 0.1914. Defense Budget $35 billion. Active military personnel 204,000. Labor force 30,480,000. Total aircraft 1,305. Total naval strength 118. Strongest army in the world. See the current military capabilities and available firepower for the nation of France. 4. India. 2017 India Military Strength Power Index 0.1593. Defense Budget $51 billion. Active military personnel 1,362,500. Labor force, 513,700,000. Total aircraft, 2,102. Total naval strength, 295. Current military capabilities and available firepower for the nation of India. 3. China. 2017 China Military Strength Power Index 0.0945. Defense budget $161,700,000,000. Active military personnel 2,260,000. Labor force 805,900,000. Total aircraft 2,955. Total naval strength 714. The strongest army in the world. Check out the current military capabilities and available firepower for the nation of China. 2. Russia. 2017 Russia Military Strength Power Index 0.0929. Defense budget $44,600,000,000. Active military personnel 798,527. Labor force 77,410,000. Total aircraft 3,794. Total naval strength 352. The best trained army in the world. Check out the current military capabilities and available firepower for the nation of Russia. 1. United States. 2017 United States Military Strength Power Index 0.0857. Defense budget $587,800,000,000. Active military personnel 1,373,650. Labor force 158,600,000. Total aircraft 13,762. Total naval strength 415. Check out the current military capabilities and available firepower for the nation of United States, the most powerful military in the world.